Hey guys, Julie here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking part in the Look for Less challenge that is put on by Yami from the Latina Next Door. She is also having a co-host who is Kristen from Kristen's Chaotic Life. And in this challenge, we are challenged to take an expensive item and try to remake it for less. So I am going to remake this Pottery Barn pedestal, and I will be remaking it for $15. Now this is a collaboration, so there will be a playlist linked below so that you can go check out all the other Look for Less challenge participants and their videos and what they made. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I hope to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, so here are the supplies you'll need. I picked up this 2 cake pan set from Target for $2.50. And this wooden candlestick holder, which was $12.99, also from Target. I picked up this Gorilla Glue, but you can use any strong glue that you have. And I'm just using this black chalk paint because that's what I have, but you can use any black paint that you might have on hand, and then you're going to need some paintbrushes. For assembly, I just took one of the cake pans and glued it onto the candlestick. It is that simple, and that's the first step. So originally I was not planning on sanding any of this just because chalk paint sticks to everything pretty well, but I didn't want to have to take the chance of repainting it because of chipping, so I decided to lightly sand the metal pan down. Now it's time to paint it. I did do 2 coats, so I did the first coat and then I let it completely dry, and then I decided